Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos, as I upload my new videos every Monday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every week. Okay guys, so today's video is really very interesting. I'll be telling you guys that what all things are important for a person to look perfect, to look good and to have a good personality. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so the basic three things a person must take care of is their health, hair and skin. Health is very important to look good and to stay fit. Like if someone tells you to run from here to there, you don't be tired or saas na phulne चालू हो जाए. So it's really a bad point, and it's like if you take care of your health, you be good, slim, fit and clothes suit you. Yeah. Okay, and the second thing is that your hair should always be good. Like if you are a girl or a guy, doesn't matter, your hair should always be clean and good, soft and really nice, because that's the part of your body which gives, like, part of your face which gives extra effect to your face. So yeah, and the third thing is skin. Like yes, it is important to take care of your skin. No one likes those pimples, spots and all those things on skin, but yes, that's all those things are natural. You can't do anything, but at least you can take care. So it is obviously, if you take 1% also take care, then you will see improvement and it is better than before. I'm not saying that it should always be perfect. Obviously everyone don't have that clear glowing white skin, even I don't have, but at least should take care. That's very important. I have learned in few days. Okay, now I'll start the list, like from below to above. Now I'll start the list like from below to above. When you go out from your home, so once you step out from your home, what a person looks like, what people say is like first impression is last impression. So this is how your first impression should be. Like let's start from below, like shoes or sandals or whatever you are wearing on your foot, it should be always like, it should never break. And it's a biggest turn off if your shoes or sandals break in middle of something. So it's really bad. Doesn't matter you buy costly or you buy cheap, that all doesn't matter. I know it breaks, it's fine, but before leaving your home you should think that ये टूटेगा कि नहीं टूटेगा, it will break or not. And if you have 1% also doubt that it will break, then just don't avoid wearing those sandals or shoes, because it will break. If you have doubt, it will break. It happens. Yeah. Now second thing is that good dressing. Yeah, everyone should take care that you don't have to wear anything and go. And here also doesn't matter if you're buying like 5,000 ka clothes or 500 or 200 ka clothes, but what matters is that you're wearing good combination and something which is suiting you. That's very important. So doesn't matter you buy from Kolaba or you buy from H&M, it's fine, but you must have good color combination. You must wear something that suits you. So if you have no idea about color combination or what suits you, you can YouTube it or you can Google it. Yeah. And the third thing a person must have is, like, this is what I feel, and there may be many people just like me who must be thinking same, like watch. A person must wear watch. Like watch is the sign of good personality, of smartness. Like not typically smartness, but it gives a smart look to your body and to you. So I feel a person must wear watch. It is really nice, and your hands also don't look empty. I personally don't go out of the home without wearing watch. Okay, fourth thing is that always comb your hair. Even if you're going down, which is just 2 minutes away from your home, or just to collect a parcel or anything, or you're just stepping out of your home, always comb your hair. Whether you're a guy or a girl, comb your hair. I said before also in this video that your hair gives a nice look to your face. So your hair should be perfect. Yes, sometimes messy looks cute on girls, but that messy look also needs efforts. So yeah. And the next thing is that wash your face regularly. It should not look oily. And if you are stepping out from your home, especially for girls, just put a powder or a compact and have a slight lipstick. It gives a nice look. Yeah, people say that natural look is always nice, but that's for the people who have fair glowing skin. But for the people like us, need little touch of lipstick, light, don't go over. Yes, keep it natural, but just a little, if not lipstick, just a lip gloss like a baby lip wala, and a little compact or a Pond's ka powder. Yeah. Okay, next thing is apply perfume. Don't ever forget perfume. I am a kind of person that I get fully ready and at the end I forget applying perfume. So yeah, don't ever forget perfume. Yes, everyone loves if you smell good. No one likes that you are smelling bad, especially in summer. Summers are the season you sweat a lot and you tend to get smell from your body. So having to apply perfume is really important. And if you want, you can go for a roll-on which is non-alcoholic. So roll-ons are the best. Seriously, they are best. Like, they don't allow smell to enter your body, and perfume always works. So yeah, always apply perfume. It's really important. Even if you're going out for a half an hour or a 1 hour, apply perfume. It really changes your personality, and it really helps the people you're talking to give a different effect of yours on them. Girls, don't keep half nail polish. If you want, you can go for a full nail polish or don't apply nail polish. Like, yeah, don't go for half nail polish. Like, it looks really bad. Either apply full nail polish, your nails should be painted fully, or else go for no nail polish nails. Yeah, and for the guys, shave regularly. Don't go for half shaving. Go for full shaving, or else shaving as in not typically full clean shaving, but the look which looks good on you, or the style which looks good on you, or yeah, just go perfectly. Yeah, this is what I wanted to say. That was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Soon we are going to cross 10k subscribers. I have really nice surprises for you guys. Okay, that was all for today. And don't forget to see my previous videos. I have done many such videos. You'll really love them. Bye bye.